Okay, well, I just got my Vevor diesel heater today. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of it. I ended up getting the 5 kilowatt one instead of the 8 because I've done some reviews with it, or I've watched some reviews, and they said for van life, the 8 is just insane. You'll end up sweating your butt off. So I went with the 8. It's got a little smaller footprint, or excuse me, I went with the 4 or 5 because it's got a little smaller footprint. So let's unbox this thing and see what we get here. I didn't bring my mount, so I'm gonna set that there. Well, it's boxed up nice. Yeah. Anybody told you not to cut toward yourself? Yeah. Don't cut toward yourself. Here we go. Now, first thing, we got our manual here. A metal plate. And our fuel tank. 10 liter. Which, I don't know how many 10 liters is. Maybe I would say a gallon. All right. Let's see, we got and I dropped it. All right. Now we got some styrofoam here. Cut that, and that's actually the heater. All right. At first glance, it's heavy. It doesn't feel cheap. I was kind of worried that, it was when I first saw him on TikTok, and I was like, yeah, that's a joke, but everybody's putting them in and they seem to have pretty good luck with them. Here's our exhaust port. Here's where the heat comes out and where it exhausts from. So all in all, pretty nice unit. Let's see what else we got here. All right. Fuel pump. It's electric, so I would say it's a fuel pump. Nice and heavy. It's got some weight to it. I'm telling you, I'm really pleasantly surprised. And here is the wireless little thermostat and the remote. It's in a little holder and everything. Mount that to the wall, and then that puts wherever you want. Awesome. All right, that ends this. And now there is another box in here with installation parts. So we have the omnidirectional flow, and it does have this, so you can put it in and then put it through a cabinet or whatever. Just a nice cleaner look, or you can mount it. That's really awesome. Not sure which that what goes to there yet. There's 2 tubes under here, so one might be exhaust, one's fresh air, I'm not sure. Here is our exhaust hose. Beautiful. Our 12-volt wiring with a fuse. It's already fused. And again, it seems really quality. And here's our diesel line, our hose. And it comes with this cute little muffler. Look at this thing. Adorbs. And then some random hose connections and this kind of thing. So yeah, it's really, really cool. I'm excited to connect it up and see how it forms. We got a ways to go before we're ready for that one. But this is really cool. I'm excited. In this. I guess we'll see when we're ready. All right. Well, very cool. Thanks for watching.